Good day, everybody. When it comes to talking about the post-COVID demand supply situation, as well as how developers, and especially from the design, sales, marketing, collection point of view of from that point of view, how developers should be prepared. There are a couple of points that I would like to make on. First thing is that from a psyche point of view, from a customer psychology point of view, there is a lot of I think people are really understanding the importance of living spaces. What would kids need? What would working from home couple need? And what exactly the probably the man of the house is really understanding what the kitchen is actually about, and what are the challenges of maintaining a house. So everybody is interacting more with the living spaces over the last few weeks, and exploring and finding out new things about what the home is really about. So with this thinking, I'm sure they are getting multiple ideas about what their ideal home should be, and they are really thinking about my dream home should have this also, my dream home should have this part also, maybe a study room, maybe a bigger utility, maybe a bigger balcony, maybe a kids room, maybe a separate space for parents. So when we are all going to office from morning 8 to evening 8, sometimes life looks perfectly fine, and you're just crashing, you're just using your house to take bath and probably sleep and take some rest and watch some TV in between. So when situations like this comes, you really understand what your living space is all about and what are your real needs. So a lot of people would be looking at upgrading from what they currently have to something that is better for their requirement from a long term point of view. And similarly, a lot of folks who are actually living in rent are really understanding the value of buying an asset from 2 points. One is that it will not crash like a Nifty overnight, and second part is I need a home for myself. At the end of the day, I would need to stay somewhere at somewhere what is called as a home of my home. So these two emotions are really coming out very well from a customer psyche point of view. Now, add to that the two other interesting situations that are happening is the interest rates are really going down, and over the next few months, it is likely to grow further down. So you would see an interest rate of probably 6 to 7%, or probably even lower than that after a year. When rental yields are going at 3.5, and when the interest rate is happening at 6, add to it the potential sops that the government is going to give in terms of a registration waiver as well as income tax waiver. These are speculated, not sure whether they will actually happen or not. But some of these things, if they happen, along with the fact that interest rates are down, and along with the fact that the differential between the interest rates and the rental yields are actually down, this will spur a lot of momentum in the especially in the affordable sector point of view. So the end user category will really come back to the market in the next few weeks. Next few months is what I really have to say. And from a product design point of view, I think a lot of our apartments, Sriram Apartments, have study, because we always anticipated that study is an important part of the design. But I think the customers will really appreciate the need of a study now. So a lot of new features in the floor plans will be added. Maybe a bigger balconies will come into question now, and storage spaces will become even more important. Kids and study and parents areas will see little more prominence. Some of these things will see more importance. Along with that, things like importance of services from a developer point of view, on how to keep your services up to date, to ensure that people get a sense of hygiene and people get a sense of social distancing. Some of these parts from a design and maintenance and services point of view will come in a lot of prominence over the next few months in the new projects. And from a sales and marketing point of view, I am not a believer of people really going to the website and buying from home. I don't think anybody is going to do that. Some people may do, but from a real estate point of view, location is a very important point of stuff. And Anybody who wants to buy an apartment, whether it is 20 or 40 or 2 crores, will actually want to see the neighborhood, the roads, the nearby developments, the potential, the future potential, the width, road width, the social amenities and whatnot. So I'm sure everybody will pay at least 10 visits to the property, and I don't think that is going to change. Maybe instead of visiting 10 times, they may visit 5 times, but that is not going to go anywhere. So some part of this is also very important. That a mix of an online and offline interaction will continue to happen. I think instead of a salesperson going out and meeting the customer at his office, maybe that could get replaced by a Zoom call. But overall, a healthy mix of online and offline interaction will happen. But offline presence is a must. But what is more important is that for the next few months, we will have to give a lot of comfort to the customers. Many of them are losing jobs. Many of them are having salary cuts. So we will have to give them a comfort in terms of creating some offers like some payment deviations or flexibility, or giving them some easy or better bank loan assistance. So reimbursing some of their EMIs or giving them a EMI holiday. Some of these fact offers from a developer point of view will give the customers extra confidence. And more importantly, invest on the brand, because the brand is something customers are going to be taking even more seriously, because they know that a lot of developers and a lot of small developers are under stress. So from customers' point of view, the deliverability and the quality of delivery and upkeeping of the project from a services point of view, some of these things will be even more important from the customer point of view, and they will tend to choose the brands that have been there and that have been delivering strongly. So I would hopefully see a lot of consolidation happening in that particular point of time. So invest a lot in the brand and your credentials so that customer gets that confidence. And more than that, it's a question of leads, walk-ins and bookings. So we have to work extra hard in converting more leads to walk-ins, and we have to work extra hard in converting more walk-in to booking. So from the sales team, marketing team point of view, work hard and continue to work hard is the only tip I have to give. Product design will change a little bit, but we have to work extra hard and make use of the opportunities given to us in terms of low interest rates and the new government initiatives and the positive emotions that customers have developed towards buying a home. So though that is my key takeaway, and I hope you gain a little bit of perspective with this short talk. Thanks a lot.